Hello everyone. Welcome to the virtual class of standard costing. In previous 9 sessions, I have discussed different varieties of sales variances based on value and sales margin. Today, I would like to discuss one of the important variety of this chapter. It is all about calculation of missing data. Before starting this particular variety, it is necessary for all of you to understand the nature of the question. Compute the missing data indicated by the question marks from the following. On your screen, a table is available with two different products, product A and product B. You can check on your screen that all informations marked with yellow color is with question mark. It means we need to complete the table after calculation of all missing items. Say for example, budgeted quantity of B, actual quantity of A, sales price variance for product A and B both, sales volume variance for product A, value variance for both A and B, and one more important instruction is given by the examiner related to total sales mix variance of both the products together. You can say it is total sales mix variance rupees 45 negative, that is minus. From the data given to us, it is clear that nothing is available in product A, but we have information of budgeted price, actual price, and actual quantity in case of product B, and information is also given for sales volume variance, that is minus 300. Using this information, we can calculate all missing items for product B at first priority. We cannot start calculation of product A directly. So let us calculate for product B at first part. Calculation for product B. Information of sales volume variance is given by the examiner in the question. It is rupees 300 minus. We all know the formula of sales volume variance. Sales volume variance equals to budgeted price into bracket budgeted quantity minus actual quantity. We have information of sales volume, budgeted price and actual quantity. And only the information missing in this formula is budgeted quantity. Let us insert the data in the formula. You can easily calculate value of budgeted quantity. Sales volume variance minus 300, budgeted price rupees 15 per unit as given in the question. Budgeted quantity for product B, it is not given, and actual quantity for product B is given as 70 units. Simply insert the data in the formula and simplify the formula. At the end of a simplification solution of the formula, you will get budgeted quantity equals to 50. So using this particular formula, we can explore the value of budgeted quantity for product B, and it is 50 units. Now for product B, all four items are available to us. Budgeted quantity that we have completed in our calculation, budgeted price ready-made given in the question, actual quantity it is also given in the question, and actual price it is also available to us in our question. So with the help of all these four information, it is very easy for us to calculate remaining two variances for product B. Let us calculate sales value variance for product B. Formula: budgeted sales minus actual sales. BQ into BP minus AQ into AP. Let us insert the values in the formula. Budgeted quantity as per our calculation 50 units. Budgeted price as given by the examiner in the question 15 rupees. Actual quantity 70 units and actual price rupees 20. So 750 minus 1400. So total difference 650 favorable. As compared to budgeted sales of product B rupees 750, we have sold actually for rupees 1400. So here our sales is increased by rupees 650. So it is a positive sign for the company. Now move towards next variance for product B. Sales price variance for product B. Formula for sales price variance: actual quantity into bracket budgeted price minus actual price. Information of actual quantity is as given in the question 70 units. Budgeted price for product B is rupees 15 and actual price is rupees 20. In this case, as compared to the budgeted price of rupees 15, the company is able to recover rupees 5 more from their customer. So the difference of rupees 350 is referred to as favorable. Believe me, calculation of product B is very simple. It is nothing more than application of formula. The most important part of this question is calculation related to product A, because nothing is given in case of product A. Let us start calculation for product A. Now concentrate for next a few minutes in order to complete the database. If you miss any minute in the calculation, believe me, you cannot link up with the remaining answer. Calculation of actual quantity of product A. Information of actual quantity of product A is not given, and in absence of actual quantity of product A, we are not able to calculate anything. But we have a ray of hope. हमारे पास एक आशा की किरण है और वो किरण है total sales mix variance. It is given in the question in ready-made form as minus 45. Now, what is the total sales mix variance? As we are dealing with two products, product A and product B. Total sales mix variance means sales mix variance of product A plus sales mix variance of product B. For the calculation of sales mix variance, information related to revised budgeted quantity is required, because without calculation of RBQ, it is not possible for us to calculate mix variance. Now, just remember the formula. For the calculation of revised budgeted quantity, again, you are in need of actual quantity of product A and product B both. But the problem is, actual quantity of product A is not given. So we need to apply higher level of intelligent quotient in order to solve this problem. Let us understand the formula. First, revised budgeted quantity is equal to total actual quantity divided by total budgeted quantity multiplied by budgeted quantity. Let us prepare a summary. budgeted quantity of A 50 units as given in the question, budgeted quantity of B 50 units as per our calculation. At the time of calculation of product B, we have completed calculation of budgeted quantity. Actual quantity of product B 70 units as given in the question, and the problem is actual quantity of A, which is not given to us in our question. So from this, now all of you are clear that our target is to calculate actual quantity of A. And once you calculate actual quantity of A, believe me, you can calculate all other variances of A within just a few seconds. Now, move forward. What is the meaning of total budgeted quantity? Total budgeted quantity is equal to budgeted quantity of product A plus budgeted quantity of product B. From the above information, you can easily calculate total budgeted quantity. 50 units plus 50 units is equal to 100. Now, actual quantity of A is not given, so we have assumed actual quantity of A as X. Let me explain this thing in detail. Total actual quantity means what? Actual quantity of product A plus actual quantity of product B. As actual quantity of product A is not given, assuming that actual quantity of product A is X, therefore total actual quantity is equal to X plus 70. In second number table, that is marked with light pink color, I have written directly TAQ, X plus 70. But if you are not clear, you can understand through the third box, calculation of total actual quantity in detail. Now using this, let us calculate revised budgeted quantity. So revised budgeted quantity of A is 0.5x plus 35. Just to solve your confusion, let me insert the data in the formula. TAQ x plus 70 divided by TBQ 100 multiplied by budgeted quantity of A, it's a 50. So x plus 70 divided by 100 multiplied by 50. So when you solve this equation, you will get figure of revised budgeted quantity of product A 0.5x plus 35. Same way you can calculate for B. Revised budgeted quantity of B is equal to 0.5x plus 35. Again, to solve your doubt, let me insert the values in the formula. TAQ x plus 70 divided by TBQ 100 multiplied by budgeted quantity of product B 50 units. So revised budgeted quantity for A and B. For A it is 0.5x and B it is also 0.5x plus 35. Let us move to the next item, and it is most important. It is the most important item of our solution. Total sales mix variance. Formula: revised budgeted price, budgeted price minus revised budgeted quantity minus actual quantity. So BP into bracket RBQ minus AQ. Let us insert the data in formula. For product A, budgeted price is rupees 12. For product B, budgeted price is rupees 15. Revised budgeted quantity as per our calculation for A 0.5x plus 35 minus actual quantity is X X as per our assumption. B 0.5x plus 35, that is a revised budgeted quantity, and this amount of 70 is given in our question. Our ultimate objective is to calculate amount of these x. If you complete calculation of these x successfully, you will get marks in full. So let us move to further calculation. Rupees 12, 35 minus 0.5x. It is nothing more than a simplification of this formula. 12 into bracket 0.5x plus 35 minus x. So plus 35, 0.5x minus x is equal to minus 0.5x. In case of product B, 15 into bracket 0.5x plus 35 minus 70. So simplification of the formula, 15.5x as it is, 35 minus 70 is equal to minus 35. Now you can expand the formula. Product A, 420 minus 6x. It is nothing more than multiplication of this 12 with 35 and this 12 with 0.5x. So 12 multiplied by 35 equals to 420, and 12 multiplied by 0.5x is equal to 6x. Same way you can calculate for product B. 15 multiplied by 0.5x. So it's a 7.5x. And 15 multiplied by 35 given over here. So it's a 525. With the help of this information, we can easily calculate total sales mix variance. For A, 420 minus 6x plus 7.5x minus 525. So total sales mix variance equals to 1.5x minus 105. Now refer your question. In your question, information related to total sales mix variance is given as minus 45. Insert the data. Minus 45 equals to 1.5x minus 105. Change minus 105 on opposite side, so it is a plus. Minus 45 plus 105 equals to 1.5x. And finally, the conclusion is 60 is equal to 1.5x. Change 1.5 on opposite side, so it is in a division. 60 divided by 1.5 is equal to x, and the value of x is 40. As per our assumption, x equals to actual quantity of product A. Now we have figure of actual quantity of product A that was earlier missing. This is one of the important calculation, and if you calculate these things perfectly, your entire answer will be 100% correct. Let us complete the answer. Sales value variance for product A. Formula: budgeted sales minus actual sales. Insert the values in the formula. Budgeted sales 50 units multiplied by budgeted price rupees 12. Actual units 40 as per our calculation before just a moment. We have completed calculation of that 40 units multiplied by actual price rupees 15. So 50 into 12 600, 40 into 15 600. So 0. It means there is no sales value variance in case of product A. Insert value into second formula. Sales price variance for product A. Formula: actual quantity into bracket budgeted price minus actual price. As per our calculation, actual quantity 40 units, budgeted price as given in the question rupees 12, and budgeted quantity rupees 15. Sorry, budgeted price rupees 15. As compared to budgeted price of rupees 12, actual price is rupees 15. So we have charged 3 rupees higher. So when you charge higher sale price, it is favorable. 40 into 3, rupees 120 favorable. And last variance is all about calculation of sales volume variance for product A. Formula: budgeted price into bracket budgeted quantity minus actual quantity. Simply insert all the values in the formula and you will get your answer. 12 rupees budgeted price, budgeted quantity as given in the question 50 units, and calculation of actual quantity is completed by us earlier 40 units. As compared to budgeted sales units, actual sales units goes down. So when units of sales goes down, it is affected to your profit negatively. So this variance is 120 adverse. With this, our calculation comes to an end, not our answer. As a part of our answer, we need to prepare this table and database after calculation of missing information. Budgeted quantity 50 kilograms, it was missing. Actual quantity 40 kilograms, it was also missing. In case of product A, sales price variance 120 favorable, volume variance 120 adverse, and net difference, that is sales value, is 0. In case of product B, our sales value variance is 650 favorable and price variance is 350 favorable. So naturally, sales value variance is the result of price and volume. So 350 favorable and 300 rupees favorable. In mathematical, it was given as a minus 300, but in interpretation, it is 300 favorable. With this, our database is completed. I hope everyone is clear with the solution of this problem. Thank you. Keep watching next sessions of this chapter. God bless you. Keep learning, keep growing.